Okay, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna be resetting this Dell Inspiron from 2014 and I'm gonna be setting it up like an install that I'm extremely nostalgic to. So yeah, we're gonna be I'm gonna be doing the rest of this video on my main setup, but like I at least want to install the OS on where it's going to probably be permanently placed, at least until I need it. But yeah, this USB has Windows 7 on it, so they're gonna plug it in, turn you on. Pretty sure Dell's BIOS key is F12, or boot menu key is F12. Okay, be right back. Okay, there we go. Finally got a display output. So we're gonna be booting to my SanDisk right here. Windows is loading files. That's just what we want. Praying there's no error because I could barely find the display. I could barely connect the display. Starting Windows, we're fine so far. And that was very fast. Oh Lord. Oh, there we go. Drivers are installed now. Windows 7, next. Install now. Setup is starting. This computer is native to Windows 7, by the way, so Home Premium perfect. Custom. I'm gonna delete all of this because the install in here is really bad. We're gonna delete everything and then install. This shouldn't take long at all. And I can activate, since this is Home Premium, that is what it came with, so yeah, there's a 240 gig SSD in here, so this shouldn't take long to install at all. And I'll be back when we're at a setup screen. Okay, so now we're here. I'm obviously gonna name it to Seth Techmaster. This one will have a password. Yeah, ask me later. Oh, that was fast. Preparing desktop. Hopefully, but obviously will not detect internet. Are you kidding? Really hoping that it does. Run. Immediately just gonna, well no, not personalized, I meant screen resolution. I'm gonna make it look a little bit better on this display. Keep changing, keep changing, changes. Okay, that one solved. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the specs of this computer. I will activate Windows right now because I will use the genuine product key. Okay, bad. Okay, yeah, I'm booting to I'm installing a different version of Windows 7 because I was having way too many complications on Home Premium. Like, I was having so many updating issues, activation issues, so I'm just going to be going off this USB, which has Windows 7 Ultimate, even though this is not what it was designed to run, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work better, and it's already updated to, like, the 2020 updates, so yeah. I'm just going to be back when we're at a desktop again. Okay, silly thing what I wanted to do while installing. I just wanted to make a little document. I gotta name it real quick. Document. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little. It's at 13% right now, but like I just wanted to make a little document while I was doing this because I thought it would be funny. So yeah, I'll just be back when we're at another setup screen. Okay, it looks like I'm having a lot more success checking for updates, and it detected the entire screen resolution of 1440 by 900 on this display, even though there's no Intel HD graphics, otherwise Windows Aero would be enabled. But yeah, I needed to get... This thing does have a Wi-Fi card, but the drivers weren't installed by default, unfortunately. But yeah, we're just gonna get updates set up, and after I get Windows Aero and stuff installed, then I'm gonna replace my main computer with it for probably who knows how long. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting video. Okay, these are the updates that are available. Of course, it's gonna want to update Microsoft Edge and stuff, but like, yeah, I'm gonna select install all these updates, and then hopefully, after Windows Aero works, I'll put it in my main. It'll take my main computer's place for who knows how long. As long as I want. As long as I want, honestly. All right, we're now at my main setup. It's the next day. Now we're gonna get the computer set up how it was before, and I'm going to be actually going off of a very nostalgic install to me, and I'm gonna show you a picture in a second. Okay, so this is what it's gonna be set up like. This was set on a HP Pavilion DV7. Excuse me. Yeah, this was basically how it was set up. I'm just gonna be adding one application. Okay, so yeah, this is what it's gonna be like, and we're gonna be doing it in this video. So let's get to it. Okay, first we're getting Chrome. Oh my god. Whatever. I'll browse an Edge. It does not like me. No, I'm not doing Microsoft Edge. But yeah, we're gonna get Chrome. And then after that, I'm gonna just skip everything else and get OBS so I can screen record this thing. And there's no sound because there's no speakers or anything, or headphones. Hopefully, I downloaded it twice. Okay, so we're gonna run Chrome now. Yeah, after this I'm going straight to OBS, because I'm going to screen record the rest of this. And I'm going to be using my second display to screen record. So, and yeah, this is probably my main setup for a little bit, so yeah. I'll do a PC review probably in like the next week or so that's going to be nice. I'll be back when, or not. We're going to get OBS now. Okay, so we're gonna just go through this installer, blah blah blah. All these weird files. And the release I'm doing actually has Office pre-installed, so that's helpful. I already get OBS to my taskbar. I'm getting that. And I'll be moving. Yeah, I'll be back when we're screen recording. I lied. It's really not gonna work because. Yeah, I've had like 20 million issues. With different issues like screen recording, just general, like, stupid stuff like that. So we're gonna just disconnect from the internet right now. I still have my software drive plugged in. But, yeah, we're gonna go to app installers. I have almost everything I'm gonna need except Office 2013. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna copy that to my downloads folder actually. I'm gonna copy, oh that's 32. The only thing I'm gonna need from this drive is the Firefox installer, so we're just gonna get my downloads. I downloaded VLC because I thought OBS was gonna be nice. And as I mentioned in the last video, that I set up a computer. I'm going to customize this because I don't want the maintenance service. And I do not want to use Firefox as my default web browser. I don't want to import a single thing. And now we're going to get updated. Advanced. Never check for updates. That's what we want. And we're going to use Firefox for this part. I'm just going to connect to the internet again. And now we're gonna get VirtualBox. Yeah, VirtualBox next. Pretty sure the latest version is compatible with Windows 7. I'm just gonna get a slightly older version. Now we're gonna install it. My displays are glitching like mad when I do this. When UAC comes, I don't know why. Sorry, it's a little harder to see. I'm on my big TV. Well, not even big. It's my 22-inch display, and probably a little bit. Sorry if you guys can barely see. I would really like it to just, I gotta keep looking back every now and then. I'm sorry, to see what I gotta do next. Yeah, we're looking for Avast. We're looking for Avast next, actually, even though I almost never use it. I get that you respect my privacy. Or value my privacy, whatever the heck you mean. Yes, please. I'm tired right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. I hate the fact that they use that. It just looks nothing like it. Yes. I will gladly not turn off my computer. And while that's installing, we're gonna get the next thing. Okay, so we're going to we're gonna pin the 3 games that I have, which were Minesweeper. It won't let me pin the taskbar to the taskbar. Be right back. Okay, so next we're gonna go File Shutter. And yes, I did get everything pinned. I'm going in complete order. I did not have Solitaire on that install, but I like it. We're gonna go to fileshutter.org. I have not used this site in so long. I love it. I don't have this on my main computer. My main computer's right there. I'm not using it anymore because I'm probably gonna use this one for a while. Run. I do accept this. I'm going to pin you to the taskbar. I do not want the Avast Secure Browser. I'm going to go to, it's going to be right here. So far we're in the right order. So next we're going to get VMware Workstation. I'm pretty sure version like 12 or something, I don't know. And while that downloads, because it's a RAR extension, I'm going to need to get I'm going to reopen my closed tab. I'm going to need the key, which I can't show on camera. Okay, back. We're going to need WinRAR. And it's a very useful program. I have it on my main. Download it. Install. Okay, thank you for using it. Now I can open VMware Workstation thing. Flip, I don't know the password. I'm going to check it. Okay, we're going to go for this one. I read, accepted. Enhanced keyboard driver, no thank you. And now we're installing VMware Workstation Pro, which I'm probably going to upgrade to on my main because I have VMware Workstation Player right now. So I'm going to have to look back at this video in the future, so that's going to be fun. So yeah, I'll be back when this is done. Okay, now with VMware installed, we're gonna, what's next? Power ISO, it's a very useful program, but I'm not gonna pin it on this install. I'm actually gonna pin T-Launcher, which I have not downloaded yet, so we're gonna get that. I can't type with one hand. Okay, yep, there we go. No, I don't like Opera. And that was fast. I will pin T-Launcher where Power ISO was, which is right next to VirtualBox. And then, yeah. Now we're installing Java. All of my downloads are going on my software drive, by the way, which is going to be making setting up other computers for myself and other people much easier. I'm not going to keep all these desktop icons. I'll show you what I'll do with them later. Yes, please set Chrome as default browser. There we go. I have successfully installed Java. This computer's being a little bit unresponsive, so installation complete. There we go. Yeah, now we're gonna get Power ISO. And I have it, but it's 32-bit, so I'm gonna probably get all this stuff for 32-bit that requires it. Power ISO is now complete. Completed. All that stuff. Okay, so now it's next. I think it's now Office 2013. So we'll do that real quick. Yeah, I completely forgot that, that Word and all of Office, the latest version, is pre-installed. That's amazing. At least with this copy of Windows 7. And I'm pretty sure that was right next to T-Launcher. Well, Power ISO. But, and I'm not pinning WinRAR either. Yeah, T-Launcher is launching, and I'm not going to play it right now. I'll play it after this video. Yes, allow access. But yeah, now I'm just going to pin a few other things that are already installed. Which are Task Manager. There's two more things I got to do after this. Task Manager, pin to taskbar, snipping tool, pin this to taskbar, and also the WordPad. That was also pinned to my taskbar, even though I literally never used it. And I'm pretty sure all these go in order. They're next to Word. WordPad, snipping tool, Task Manager, then Windows Media Player. Now that is all my programs. Next we're gonna get my desktop background, which in this image is this. Really trying not to show the phone number. Oh, it's not on here. Okay, good. But yeah, I don't know exactly what image it is, but I'm gonna find it, hopefully. So I'll be back when I find it. Okay, this is not the wallpaper I was looking for. I'm trying to make it focus a little bit better. But now it is actually flip. This is a bit not focusing. There we go. But yeah, I have had a history of using Asus ROG, so as my wallpaper, so this is gonna be what I use. And now I have one more thing I gotta do. And it's gonna be to make a new folder and name it desktop and then move all my desktop icons in there. Maybe except the recycle bin. So yeah, I'll be back when this is deleted because it's really confusing. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I recreated this install from October of 2020, and I'm gonna be probably using it as my main for a while because I like this install a lot. It's just on it's on a 2014 Dell computer instead of a 2010 HP Pavilion DV7. It's on an Inspiron 3880, 3840, and I'll show you the specs real quick. These are the specs. 4th Gen Core i5, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 240 gig SSD. This computer did not originally come with a hard drive, so yeah. So it's a decent system. I'm gonna probably test more things off camera and probably use it for a while as my main system. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.